Welcome to the new episode of Tech Insiders. Chinese tech blogger under the nickname Geeker1 studied the Kirin 9000S processor, which recently debuted in the Huawei Mate 60 series, and talked about its structure. According to the enthusiast, Kirin 9000S is made according to the scheme 1 plus 3 plus 4, while the first two clusters include Huawei's own Taishan family cores, and the third cluster includes 4 traditional Cortex A510. The proprietary Big Core operates at a frequency of 2.62 GHz and is located between the Cortex A710 and X1 cores in terms of performance, but consumes 1 watt more. The second cluster consists of cores with a clock frequency of 2.15 GHz. They are inferior to the Cortex A710 in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, and the overall performance of the chip is at the level of Snapdragon 888. In Geekbench 5, the Kirin 9000S chip scored 1005 points in the single-core test and 4019 points in the multi-core test. In the meantime, in terms of energy efficiency, it is placed between Snapdragon 888 and Snapdragon 865. The graphics processor of the novelty called Kirin 910 and operates at a frequency of 750 MHz and includes 4 cores. In terms of performance and power consumption, it is almost on par with the Adreno 660. However, due to raw drivers, it may show less performance. For example, in Crackdown 3, this GPU produces 58 FPS versus 56 FPS for the old Kirin 9000, with built-in Mali G 78MP24 graphics.